Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of DXY, and as you can see that after this correction, US dollar currency index is trying to recover and right now standing at 106.84. Yes, we have been expecting this recovery because overall we know it very well that dollar is very much bullish, or dollar has been extremely bullish for the last couple of weeks. So this was just the correction, and as we can see right now that DXY is trying to recover again. So if DXY starts going up again, or if it continues the uptrend again, then obviously we will see pressure on the chart of Euro USD, GBP USD and other USD pairs. But again, if we see some correction, if we see the correction continuing on the chart of DXY, then yes, the next important support for DXY will be at 106.20 level. Okay, so there is not much volatility or craziness going on the chart of DXY. Simply we can see that DXY is trying to recover after this correction. But the Euro USD lovers, Euro USD traders, today DXY will not be playing a heavy role or big role for you, because the main role for Euro USD is coming after 8 hours. You can see ECB interest rate decision. Experts, the think tanks, are of the opinion that after 11 years ECB is about to increase the interest rate. So this will bring some volatility to the market, so you must be very careful. So instead of DXY, okay, today we will see some heavy movement because of the ECB probably. And you can see that after that again we have some jobless claims from the United States. So yes, this will also bring bring some volatility to dollar. So after 8 hours, okay, after 8 hours, please watch the time carefully here, and this will really bring volatility. And if possible, beginners, new traders, just observe the market, do not enter into the market. And those who can afford to take the risk, okay, please follow proper risk management. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. Yesterday when I was recording the video, market was trading somewhere around here, and remember I told you that market was flat. Okay, so we should be observing the market. So after that we could see that market came down. Okay, market came down. It was just the correction, not a continuous continuation of the trend reverse trend. Overall the market is still bearish. Okay, if you look at the overall trend of the market, then Euro USD is still bearish. But one thing you must understand very well right now. Okay, see, at first you must understand that what kind of a trader you are. Okay, see, if you are a trader whose trades usually last for a couple of days, okay, if your trades last for 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, in that case you can plan to follow the overall trend of the market and trade accordingly. Okay, but if you are a day trader, if you prefer intraday trades, that in that case for you the trend of the market is right now bullish. Okay, so if you are looking for a swing trading opportunity, if you are looking for a positional trade, in that case you should be looking for selling opportunity considering the overall trend as of now. I don't know what will happen after the ECB news, but and if you're looking for day trading opportunity in the market, so you should be considering the present trend. So it depends on you. Okay, it depends on you. You can see that same chart, but there can be two different positions according to your psychology, according to the choice of your time frame. Okay, so the day traders, okay, you can see that once I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement here, I could see market respecting the Fibonacci level of 38.2% retracement level. I started from here till here, and when I drew the chart, I could see the market bounced from here. If you look at the chart carefully, then you can see that there was no proper reason for the market or Euro USD to bounce from here. So it was the Fibonacci series, okay, that gives us the confirmation that Avilash, you are doing the good job. The Fibonacci series that you have drawn is correct. Okay, so we can trust this Fibonacci lines here and the levels here. So if market comes down again, listen to me carefully. If market comes down again, okay, if market comes down again, then the next support for Euro USD will be around 1.010110. This will be the next support for Euro USD. Why? Because we can see the market is respecting the Fibonacci series here. So as a result, we can expect the market to bounce from here. But keep in mind, this will only work. These levels or technical levels usually work when there is no news in the market. Whenever there is any fundamental factor dominating the market, usually technical levels do not work. So if there is no impact of the news, in that manner you can expect the market to respect the levels. And during the news, if you find market breaking the support, that doesn't mean that it is Fibonacci 50%, so market will be respecting. You must keep in mind that no level is permanent in the market. So during the news, okay, during the news, you must be very careful and observe the market. And before the news, okay, before the news, and when there is normal volatility, yes, when there is normal volatility in the market, normal movement in the market, that time you can expect Euro USD to bounce from here. If you see Euro USD bouncing from this particular support here that I've just mentioned, you can definitely take a buy position. Why we're considering this buy position? Because of Fibonacci 50% retracement level, plus here also we can see the market took a small support. Previously the same level also act as resistance. So previous resistance will act as support, plus we have the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So if we combine all these factors, then we can expect that under normal circumstances, when there is no craziness in the market, market will definitely respect it. So if we find market bouncing from here, we can definitely go for a buy position. And on the other hand, if market goes up sharply, okay, if market goes up sharply, then the next selling opportunity may come around 1.0275, 1.0290. This can be your next selling target. But keep in mind, if due to news there is heavy bullishness in the market, if market forms a big green candle, this level will not work. You must understand, during news, okay, during news, technicals lose the battle. Okay, so during the news, you must be very careful and take position precisely. If possible, try to avoid trading during the news. And on the other hand, if the impact of the news is not much, or before the news only, if you see that market has reached this level and market is facing some selling pressure from above, if you find market forming a shooting star candle or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, you can go for a sell position. But again, I'm saying during the news, be careful. Technical levels may not work. Never ever gamble with your hard-earned money. My dear friends, we are retail traders. Our capital is limited. Never forget that if our capital is gone, then we are helpless. So your first priority should be capital protection always. Okay, and whatever you do, follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, isn't it? Before, it's just like 3 days ago, our stop loss was hit, my SL was hit. Okay, so it's quite normal in the market. So be careful. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.